my last few hours here in Thailand. It's been very, very beautiful. I've loved it. And I just found out that I have to go back in a couple hours, but it is what it is. It's been an amazing holiday, a nice refreshing vacation. I'm definitely gonna miss those birds chirping and, you know, just flying all over the place. So Pattaya, until next time we meet, or for the few hours we are together, let's make the most of it. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm gonna miss these steps. And the swimming pool right there. Big shout out to Hillside Resorts for taking care of us. It's been an amazing stay here. Next time, don't worry, it's gonna be longer. Hopefully I get to see that young boy again. Yeah, he's here. What's up, man? Maro's here too, just posted up. The last couple hours, how you feeling? The last couple hours, how you feeling?
Bro, I feel I don't even want to leave, to be honest with you, bro. I don't want to
Someone said you went on a hiatus.
Hiatus, G. I came back alive, though.
Came back alive.
Yeah.
My friend, you have anything to say for my YouTube? Don't be shy.
Yes.
I enjoy to speak with you and
Why?
every time.
Sorry, I don't
You don't like? Okay, I cut off. No problem, no problem. Proper cut.
He doesn't want to be famous.
Yeah, no problem. Just for memory. I remember you in the future. You understand?
understand.
Yeah. Next time come Pattaya, I come for you. I say hello. How are you? You know? Which game is this?
I'm watching the gold.
Let's see. Can I show? Yes. This guy, he always like unique stuff.
Yes.
Sometimes it's gaming, sometimes he likes to watch this type of stuff.
Yes.
Every time I used to see late nights.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. So I see you later. Yeah, see you, pal. Yeah, we're just here right now. Yeah, what was you say?
You're right, though. The day we're about to leave, we think, should have just left on Sunday.
Mad. Trust. Don't worry though.
I was even looking at the cost of the flights and that.
Yeah.
400, 600. I was like,
Now if you come on an off-peak time, then it will be cheaper. You feel me? But we came on a high peak time where it's the Easter holidays, everyone's off. A lot of families are coming down. Anytime you got the families just chilling at home, then the tickets are cheaper. You feel me? But yeah, man. The last few hours. So what you trying to do? You trying to eat somewhere?
yeah, man, last little Thai meal, isn't it?
We need to eat real good though.
Have you had papaya salad?
Yeah, and I'm also trying to see one of my friends. I'm either gonna miss these electrical cables here that just ring off sparks. Even when it's raining, it's not affected. The electrical, I don't know if you guys can hear it. Electrical is ringing up. So yeah, don't worry, next time we're back here, it's gonna be for longer. Much more high quality content, much more equipment, much more adventures. It's gonna be a madness. Over there. I'm gonna miss all this. Yes, I gave the infamous water gun to the boy that works here at reception at the Hillside Resort. I want to say a big shout out to Hillside Resort. It was very nice staying here, very comfy. Wi-Fi has been incredible. So yeah, right now we're just gonna head up to Pattaya Market, grab some few bits and bobs. I want to get a few things for my mum. After that I'm gonna go see a friend, say goodbye to her. And probably after that maybe massage it. Let's see, maybe massage it. What did you call the cab? Calm. Yeah, man, beautiful. All the birds flying, chirping. I want to miss this for real. We're gonna get transported into the concrete jungle. And for all my 4-4 resonators, I don't know if you know, but right now the number 44 is pinging off. It's pinging off. You can see. 2 different directions. So shout out to all my 44 resonators. I know you're tapped in. It's gonna be adventurous. Even on the way back home, it's gonna be adventurous.
4 minutes.
No worries, 4 minutes. So yeah, ride with me, tap in. Yeah, next time we're over here in Thailand, the big T is gonna be popping off even more. Live streams are gonna be popping off, you know what I mean?
R-rated content. You know how it is.
I don't know about that, you know what I mean? But we
Get
might
on
even
the Patreon.
get on the Patreon that don't exist yet, but it might come soon.
Manifest it.
It might come soon, you know what I mean? But yeah, we might rent our condo, our own apartment type of thing, or our own house.
Now we're just
See how that
playing,
goes.
man. We're gonna go to the temple, you know, go to the Buddha temple, do some prayers, get some holy water, cleanse the soul.
Yeah, that's him. That's him.
You said that's him.
Yeah. But for real, like next time, Big T, when we link up, it's gonna be a madder than mad, like what Modine said, madder than mad. Or is this the cab here? Cab just pulled up on the swiftest. On the swiftest. Man just rolled down the window on the swiftest. Let's go. We're heading off to the market right now. After you, man. Yeah, I was just telling Maro that if you're coming out to Thailand, make sure your pocket is comfortable. You know what I mean? If you want to be comfortable and live like a king, make sure your spending budget is comfortable. You feel me? Don't want to have any tight, you know, screws loose, or you feel me? So make sure your budget is certified. Make sure your budget is ready to take care of you.
What would you say the budget should be for a person that's like, they want to spend say 2 weeks here?
2 weeks, I would say bring about £1,000 or $1,000, $1,200, around that. You know what I'm trying to say? If you really want to have fun and enjoy yourself and live like a king. I mean, I've been living like a king. Thailand's treated me like a king, so shout out to Thai people. You know, kop and kap to all the Thai people. And yeah, man, we're just out here. You know, really tapped in. Really tapped in. It's been beautiful. It's been beautiful. Big shout out to my big cousin Celeban. One day I'm gonna sit down with you and we're gonna watch these episodes together. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. Make sure your pocket is not shabby, not shaggy, and not Scooby-Doo. Make sure it's certified. You know what I mean? Big dog pockets when you're out here. Same with the ladies. Make sure your purses are big dog pockets. Soccer run is still active days later. See people warring and dashing water at each other and stuff like that. Crazy. Vibrant vibes. Vibrant vibes. Trying to run away from the water, boy. The people dash that water at you and remind you it's soccer around, boy. But yeah, just pulled up. A little massage place over there. The guy's getting his foot massage. But yeah, just pulled up to the market to grab the bits and bobs. Yeah, definitely gonna miss this place, man.
I'm trying to stay dry out here, boy.
Yeah, for real.
That
for
kid
real.
was already giving me funny looks.
Hey, the viewers said they missed you, man. Where you been?
The what?
The viewers said they missed you. Where you been?
I was out on a mission, bro.
They thought someone kidnapped you.
I was saving someone.
Yeah, saved it. Okay. Let's see. Another thing is, anyone that stops me to ask for money, they're getting it instantly.
Sorry?
Anyone that stops me to ask me for money, they're getting it instantly. I'm a habitual money giver today. You feel me? So ride with me. Seems a bit packed today. Pattaya district, or the central Pattaya. Let this van go. But yeah, within the last few hours, we're gonna get as much content as possible. This whole journey was a manifestation of content creation. You know what I mean? I came all the way here with my bro Maro to create nothing but content. The way I see fit, or the way, you know, I like to make content. You feel me? Not everyone's the same. Some guys like to put a lot of girls in their content. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! We need to think of another route because war has begun already. War has begun already. She's not even trying to fuck around. She's all the way over there. Mara's crossed the road already. I'm trying to stay as dry as possible, you know. Everyone's got guns and water and shit like that. You know what I'm trying to say? It's mad. It's mad. It's mad. Everyone's not even trying to cross the road. These people, man, just leave me alone. I ain't got time to be fucking around like that. Even on that side. I must command the road. I must command the road. Yes, uncle, command the road. When I'm trying to suck around with no muckaran. Yeah, you can stay over there, darling. When I'm trying to suck around with no muckaran. It's a whole madness. It's a whole madness. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Camera got that nicely as well. And our next thing. You have to command the road when you're out here. You're not commanding the road. It's a madness. Just pulled up to the market. A few bits and bobs for family and friends. See what everything is saying. You know what I mean? So yeah. Ride with me, tap in, tap in. Definitely some cool little gifts to get for mum, sisters, fellow colleagues and stuff. Very inexpensive. You know, very nice stuff. So I got 2 of these purses for my sisters for about 100 baht. Very, very cheap. Very nice designs as well. As you can see, very colourful. So yeah. Tomorrow over there, bargaining, negotiating. A couple more stuff there. So yeah, coming to the market, very nice, very convenient if you're on a budget and you want to get souvenirs for your friends and families. Sakarang gang still active. Trying to locate Maro, see where he's at. I'm about to try this dragon fruit shake. I got me a calm pizza. I'm trying to get no upset stomach while I'm traveling, you feel me? And now we're here, beautiful shop. You know what I'm trying to say? Doing our thing. Yeah. We're really chilling. Just finished shopping, grabbed a few bits and bobs. Gonna try squeezing them a last minute massage, see how that goes. You know what I'm trying to say? Everyone's still out there doing the fuck around. Behind Maro, with the water guns and shit. Everyone's active. So yeah, man, let's see how the night goes.